I am here with Danny Koker, Ghetto Bob, and Robert Lytle. Robert hasn't seen his vehicle in 4 years, and we're about to unveil it. Robert, how excited are you?
The paramedics here yet? Yeah, I'm ready.
Really stoked. Yeah. Awesome. I love to hear that. Tell us a little bit about this vehicle.
This has been a frame-off restoration. It's been several years. It has the best of the best, the baddest of the baddest, and this man even built their own motor that's in this car for us. So it's almost like he works for us for the last couple of years, if I would say so, you know. We love it. Each one of us have a sentimental value with this car. We all put everything that we have into it, and we love it, and we can't wait for him to see it.
This was an important build to us. Robert was so generous, and he showed up with this car for us to build this ride, and something magic happened during the course of this build. Not only did it take longer than we thought it was going to take, but the car itself literally started speaking to all of us and saying, I'm extra special, and it became evident that this vehicle needed to be at SEMA. So we contacted Robert and said, brother, how do you feel about if we continue the project a little bit longer and bring it here? So this is really the car's fault as to why we're here, because this thing came out amazingly special, and I'm really happy that we can just show it off here with everybody.
Oh yeah, I mean, if you look around, you can see it's very, very packed. I mean, everyone's super excited about this reveal. So how did you guys collaborate with Hertz?
Hertz has been one of our sponsors for the last 6 years now. The best compressors in the world. They take care of us. The team, everybody there is so great and wonderful to work with. And this has been a tradition for the last 3 years now, and we keep going as long as we can.
Yep.
Well, we are very excited to see your reveal, and we're going to go ahead and step out. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks.
You guys ready to see this? Okay, this is Robert's car. We've been building this for a handful of years. Robert has not seen it. I hope you guys enjoy it. You ready, brother?
I'm ready.
Oh, my Lord. Mike, pull the cover.
I'm trying. The camera guy's in the way.
Every bit of what I expected. Damn.
Amen. Amen.
That is just freaking gorgeous.
Well, take a tour, gents.
Let's see what the beast looks like under the hood.
You want to? Yeah, man.
Now, I know this is your motor, but we put it in and made it work.
Right.
What do you think?
Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Such a different transformation from what it started.
Oh.
And this was a beautiful, clean car to begin with.
I'm thinking I got a little more pep than the 289 that was in it.
I think so. It's like Ghetto said, you brought us something really nice to start with.
Yeah.
So the entire project, just from stem to stern, has really come together beautifully. Yeah. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All your body lines are so sharp.
Look how the color flies.
Right, the paint speaks to each line. So phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Paint is gorgeous.
She came out stunning. Ryan and his team is absolutely the best.
I wish they came out of the booth looking like that.
Knocked it out of the park, brother.
You like that?
That's beautiful.
It's a tricky paint job, man. It's gorgeous. It messes with your head a lot.
I can't wait to see it outside.
This guy's gonna have quite the car all the way around.
See how the stripe in the back, the dark one in the middle, stops on the hood scoop?
Right. Oh, it
Pops the scoop out, and the pinstripe right here.
Right.
And on the hood, little shadowing, drops that panel back.
Right.
Pops the red out in front of it.
Yeah, it's everything I hoped it would be. It's stunning, though.
The silver metallic is almost metal flake. So when you get it in the sun, you know you're looking at it.
Yeah. Just came in. This is already done. So it looks like it's taken care of.
Well, I can guarantee you it'll draw some attention back home, that's for damn sure.
None of the panels are thick, so it's all bare metal on the edges. This is the base color for the candy, and then that's 3 coats of candy brandywine on top of it. It's all house of color.
Are you a big fan of ceramic coating?
Most definitely. Do it. Especially if you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah.
If it's going to be an ISCA show car.
No, this car is going to get driven.
But if you're going to beat it up, man, ceramic coat everything.
Yeah.
Do the seats, the tires, the wheels, everything.
Yeah.
Do all of it.
I can promise you, you didn't build this car just to go on a trailer.
Oh, I can tell. All that suspension and everything.
And I wanted something that just didn't have cookie cutter ride tech or hide its suspension.
Thank you for being patient with it. And thank you for letting us do this here.
Yeah, I can't think of anybody else better to have it done.
Those body lines,
I know it.
They're so sharp. Between the bodywork and the buffing that our crew did, the paint was the easy part.
I can't think of one damn thing that I did on this car. Yeah. No, I did push it in and out once or twice, so you know. Yeah. I get credit.
That's as close as he got to it.
But you know, as staggering as it looks, all the chassis work, is unbelievable. I wish we could raise it up
I know.
and let everybody look underneath of it.
I wanted something that was unique on the chassis point of view too.
It's stunning underneath.
Let's see how he fits in here.
It fits good.
I think that'll work just fine. Very nice.
You know what? I say we started. We're going for it.
Sounds perfect. Okay, Robert, this is yours. So tell us about it.
Okay, it's built on a Boss 302 block, 4 1/4 inch bore, 3/400 stroke, 11:1, RHS aluminum heads, comp cams.
Get down. Do you have an estimated horsepower in it?
You know, I was hoping for 500 at the crank.
What you got behind it, a T5?
Yep, handle up to 700 foot-pounds of torque on that one. 323 traction lock gear.
You got everything to get out of the hole, but you got your highway.
Yes.
That's perfect.
What's the fun if you can't get out and run 80 mile an hour down the interstate?
Agreed. I couldn't agree with you more. And I love that we're running, you know, Wilwoods on all 4 corners, so it stops.
I just converted my wife's car to manual Wilwoods. Got rid of the brake booster and I love it.
Yeah, it is. The brakes got a good feel to it, and they stop like crazy. I mean, this car is a true road car. This.
It's going to see the wheels driven off of it. Because I told him when I dropped this thing off 4 years ago, I said, look, don't build me a show car. You build me a car, I can drive the shit out of it.
Well, we apologize because it's definitely a go car for sure, but she happens to be really pretty.
Well, that's fine. I love it. I love it.
I can't wait to hear what everybody in your neighborhood feels.
Oh, God. We do hot rods on Beale every month, once a month. And there's usually like 120 of us on Beale Street.
Okay, you'll be rolling this up there?
Oh, yeah.
Good, good, good. They need to see this.
Just some on the interior real quick.
Yeah, let's check out the inside, man. Ghetto, let's talk about the whole interior. I mean, the way you've contrasted everything
Yes.
is.
He wanted these racing Corbeau style seats in there. So instead of buying seats, throwing away everything, I said, let's just match the patterns, match the theme, and build the rest of the car out. So that's why we integrated a bunch of suede in this one that we normally don't do as much.
Yeah, the suede is great.
Suede headliner, tons and tons and tons of kicker stereo because the man said, hey, I'm old and I can't hear, but I need to hear when I drive my
I
car.
only gave him two requirements for the interior, cup holders and serious tunes.
Perfect, I'm with you.
Because I might be old, but I'm not dead.
I'm with you, brother. Oh my gosh, I love it.
And you know as well as I do, nobody gets in the back seat.
No.
We also tubbed it so none of the stuff would fit without modifying it. So I said, let's get rid of it, make it cool, give it that race touring car, and make it happen.
Well, the 4-point roll cage with the crossover bar for the harnesses, and then all the stereo work back there and everything, it's perfect as a 2-seat.
And I'm glad I kept the vent windows and didn't go with the one-piece glass. Yeah, I love the gauge cluster.
The gauges are beautiful. They're all digital analog. They're digital, but they look analog.
Right.
They look so correct in the car, but you know, they're modern, they're great.
AC, Restomod AC in it.
Have you ever had Restomod AC? Brother, let me tell you something, you're gonna fall in love with Restomod. I'm not kidding you. I've taken factory air out of cars and put Restomod in. That's how much I love it. This car's badass.
And it's what we should do from now.
One of a kind.
To hear you say that, it makes all of us happy because we're very proud and we appreciate you stepping up to the plate and doing this with us.
I have had to answer so many questions over the last, particularly the last 2 years, after it was a couple of years in. And well, any word on your Mustang? It'll be done when it's done. Well, these fellas back here need a lot of credit because I know they did a lot of work.
I'll tell you
on
something. Ryan is a genius, and these cats make it ready for him to lay down his genius. It's these cats right here, man. What do you guys think? Came out good? Came out really wonderful. I mean, I'm so proud of my fab guys, my paint guys, my body guys, all of these body lines. I mean, everything is just so sharp and so straight. You look down the side of this thing, it's like, what? All the little things that make the huge difference. It's such a team effort at my play. I'm just proud of my team. I'm really proud of my team. Well, we got Clark here from Hertz Kompressor. Counts Customs been working with Hertz Kompressor for years now. The best compressors in the industry. Clark, what's going on with Hertz?
Hey, we got a lot of great things going on, some cutting edge technology and compressed air technology, especially in our new 2-stage compressors, making a big impact in the industry, and events like this gives us great exposure to grow the Hertz brand and along with Counts Customs. So honored to be at SEMA.
This is the third one that we've got to do with Hertz.
Which we can't thank Hertz enough because they're the ones that put this on with us and they keep us pumping air through the shop at the same time.
And Robert, got to reveal now an official SEMA Mustang.
Amazing ride, 4 years in the making.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful car.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
Clark, you guys are awesome. Every time we work with your products, they're number one. But number two, every time we get to hang out and work with you guys, it's always great.
You guys are great guys. We love it.
Thank you, brother.
And Mr. Lytle,
Yes, sir.
we got to go do other things, but you can stay and hang out in your car all
I
day.
just come back and sit in it.
You do whatever you want. It's yours.
I love it.
Need to post a guard out here.
You know it. You know it. Thank God people are cool.
Not everyone.
I know. Well, we bring horny Mike, so what can we say?
Nobody's perfect, right?
No.
This is Horny Mike coming from the Hertz booth. You know, I'd have to say this has been another successful reveal that I had nothing to do with. This beautiful car you see right here, I didn't absolutely touch in any way. All right, maybe, wait, I mean, I think I pushed it in and out once in a while, and I had to get the cover off it, so that was a chore. You know, you don't want to scratch it when you're doing the cover, but other than that, this beautiful reveal had nothing to do with me. So you can thank me for, well, how beautiful it looks.